Using keywords. Alright, so my first tip is going to be using keywords in your Instagram bio. So you'll see right underneath my profile image in bold letters, I have written social media #InstaBossMob. So these are keywords that I think that my followers or my target audience are going to be searching for on Instagram. So if I search social media, you'll see that my account's going to pop up along with a bunch of other people's accounts as well, because they are also using keywords in their bio. So you'll see Social Media Examiner has the keyword social media. You'll also see when you search my hashtag #InstaBossMob, that my accounts are going to pop up. So these three accounts are mine, and no one else is using those hashtags besides me, so that's what's going to pop up. So be thinking about what hashtags or what keywords are going to work and put those in your bio. So you're going to go over into Edit Profile. From Edit Profile, in that name section right here, this is where you're going to add those keywords. Finding hashtags. Hashtags are very, very important when it comes to growing your business on Instagram. This is how your customers are going to find you. And so we want to make sure we're using the right hashtags to bring in our clients, not our competition. And we want to make sure we're using the right number of hashtags. So I know some Instagram experts will tell you, use 9 hashtags, use 10, use 11. Here's the secret number. Well, let me tell you, I've tried it all different ways, and the best number for me has been 30. This is the maximum that Instagram will allow you. So if you think about hashtags like a keyword for your website, when you're building your SEO on your website, you want to use as many keywords as possible. It's the same for Instagram. We want to use all of the hashtags that we can to bring in those customers. So today I want to show you, I want to show you where to find hashtags, where to find the right hashtags. Secondly, I want to show you how to get those hashtags up as soon as possible. So there's many ways to find hashtags. One of those can be searching out your competition, seeing what hashtags they're using, collecting all sorts of different hashtags, a big old list, and then testing them with the app called SmartHash. So I'm going to show you SmartHash really quickly. Let me scroll over here and find it. So here's SmartHash. So SmartHash allows you to split test your hashtags. So that just means that once you put your hashtags in your Instagram account on your post, you'll put it on multiple different posts, you'll use different hashtags, and then you'll put those hashtags into this app called SmartHash. Now for Android users, I am sorry, this isn't out yet, and there isn't really anything like it on the market as far as Android goes. But for iPhone users, this app is great for seeing which ones are actually working for your account. So red means it's on fire, it's doing good, you're being seen in the top post. Orange means it's not really in the top post, but you're still being seen, it's still good. And then gray means it's not working at all, or they're still calculating it. So I just put these in about 5 minutes ago, so I still think it's calculating those bottom ones. But ideally what you'd want to have is a list of orange and red hashtags. You wouldn't want to have any gray. So once you get a good set, I would build 5 different sets, because you don't want to keep using the same hashtags all the time, because you're just going to keep bringing in the same viewers. So it's kind of hard to think of a million different hashtags to use, and that's why I created the hashtag creator for the Instant Boss Club. It's my membership site that teaches you everything you need to know to grow your business. So I'm inside the members area right now, which allows me to view the hashtag creator, or sometimes you call it the hashtag builder. So in here you can type in any hashtag that you want. So let's put in boutique. So let's say we're a boutique owner. Let's find some hashtags that relate to boutique. So what this is going to do is it's going to pull hashtags that people that are using the hashtag boutique is also going to be pulling the hashtags that they are also using with this hashtag. So this first page can look a little iffy. There may be some random ones in here that like love. We don't really want to use love or girls or dress, but these are hashtags other people are using. So how to weed that out? We're going to click on the ones that we like. So let's say we like style, we like fashion, we like boutique, we like shopping, we like outfit, we like clothes, we like shop. So we can pick up to 10 hashtags, and then we're going to click next. So next it's going to populate hundreds and hundreds of different hashtags to use based on their popularity. So the most popular at the top, the least popular at the bottom. So it's great to create a list that has some really popular hashtags along with some smaller hashtags. So you'll see that the most popular hashtag would be fashion. With how many uses it has, that's quite a bit. And so we're going to keep scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. Let's see. So it gets down to the nitty gritty. There's 12,000 uses on clothes sale, right? So from here, we can select any of these. Say we like outfit wear, clothes rack, boutique. We just, select tons of things. We can select up to 30. And I'm going to show you at the top here what it's doing. Scroll up here. Lots of hashtags to choose from, very easy to create. So from here, I can create a list of 30, click copy, boom, it has saved. From there, I'm going to want to use a really easy little hack, and that is the text replacement app in settings. So I'm in an iPhone, but you can also do this in your Android. I'm going to show you how to do the iPhone version because that is what I have. So I went over into the settings. I'm going to go into general. From general, I'm going to go into keyboards. From keyboards, I'm going to go into text replacement. So you'll see here I have a bunch of different hashtags under AAA, BBB, CCC, DDD. So what the text replacement app is mainly for people that are really busy. They don't have time to text somebody back. So if they put OMW, that would automatically recalculate into on my way, or short little phrases that you could put in your phone. So I like to use something like AAA because I'm never typing AAA in my phone unless I am to type in my hashtags. So I'm going to show you quickly what it looks like when you get it into your Instagram account. So if I were to click EEE, which is a set of my hashtags, and I clicked post, boom, look at all those hashtags that have just come up. Now you'll see that it says couldn't post, have to retry. It's because I've already put my hashtags below here, so you can only put up to 30. So if you try and put more than 30, Instagram is not going to allow you. But I was just showing you what it looks like once you get those in there and how fast you can get them on your posts, because the faster you get them on your posts, the more eyes that are going to get on your photos and all that great stuff. So if you wait an hour, 2 hours later to put your hashtags in, they're not going to work at all. That's just how Instagram works, unfortunately. So if we jump back over into text replacement, I'm going to show you, if I click on BBB, you want to put your hashtags in that phrase section, and then you'll put the shortcut as BBB or whatever you wanted that to be. So what we talked about in this section would be using up to 30 hashtags, making sure we are finding hashtags. We can do that by searching out our competition or using the hashtag creator, hashtag builder inside the Instant Boss Club. We also want to use our text replacement app to get our hashtags on our posts as soon as possible. Instagram bio link. So most of you know that Instagram only allows you to use one link, and that is your Instagram bio link. So you want to make the most of that link, and so I highly suggest signing up for linktr.ee, and that's exactly what you'll type in your browser. So once you've logged in, this is the page that you're going to see. You can add in new buttons and links very easily. It tells you how many clicks you get on your images and all that good stuff. So I'm going to show you what it looks like from my profile. So you'll see linktr.ee/instantbossclub, which if you sign up for the pro version, you can do your own custom link right there. I don't have the pro version, I have a free version, but it still works great. So I'm going to click on that and show you what it looks like. So from here, people can click on any of these different links and it will take them to different pages. So instead of just putting just the link to my website, I now have the link to all sorts of different things that people can join. Engagement groups. So when I am shopping on Instagram as a consumer, I'm going to be looking at accounts that have a big following, that are getting a lot of likes on their photos, because that just kind of shows me these are legit businesses. Other people are shopping from these businesses, and I'm going to get my products once I order them. So it's really important to have a brand presence on Instagram, and one of the ways of showing that you are getting engagement on your posts is to use engagement groups. So engagement groups can be done a few different ways. So one of them is a direct message. So you'll see here that people are dropping a picture inside of this DM, and then everybody inside of this DM will be liking and commenting on these photos. Another great tool for this is called the Telegram app. So once you download the Telegram app, you're not going to see this dashboard like I have right now, because these are groups that I have joined, and I have the invitation links inside the Instant Boss Club. We have over 60 you can join, but you'd have to know somebody in order to get into these groups, because they just want no spammers in the group and that sort of thing. So in order to get your hands on these groups, you'd have to join the Instant Boss Club. But I want to show you a few different ones. So this one is called the Mom Tribe. It has 1,800 people inside the group, and everybody is dropping their links. So in order to drop your link, you have to have liked the last 24 hours of post, and this can get you up to like 400 likes per photo, 500 likes per photo. And I know what you're thinking, well, I don't want fake engagement, I don't want people just liking me because I'm liking them. Well, by getting more likes on your photo, it's pushing your post to the top posts in your hashtags. And what did we talk about earlier? People are going to find you from your hashtags. So if this is going to put you to the top posts of those hashtags, that's going to get more eyes on your photos and, in result, more sales from your Instagram account. So these are really great groups to join. You'd want to make sure, like I said, that you're following the last 24 hours within these. Everybody has their own group rules, which are pinned to the top. Most of the time you'll have to follow the people, the admins of the group, and they just have all different types of rules that you'd have to engage in. But be aware that Instagram only allows you to like up to 100 photos per hour. Sometimes if you have a more used account, so say it's been around longer, sometimes you can get away with 200 likes per hour. But a lot of times 400 people are posting in this group within 24 hours. So you're going to have to space that out and make sure that you're not going over the limits of Instagram in order to join these groups. And I also have a great way to join these groups and not even have to like anybody's at all. They'll just all like you. And that is also inside the Instant Boss Club. All the information is there. Sponsoring giveaways. So we were just talking about how important it is to have brand authority inside of Instagram, to have a lot of followers, a lot of engagement in order to make those sales on Instagram. But you're probably thinking, okay, well, how do I get more followers? A great way to do that is to sponsor a giveaway. So I wouldn't advise just getting on Instagram and searching for a Loop giveaway host to join, because this area of business can get really scammy really fast. There's a lot of just bad people out there that want to take your money and run, or they want to take your money, put on the giveaway, get the followers, and then never give the winner their prize. It can get really embarrassing for you as a business. So you want to make sure that you're getting and joining these and sponsoring giveaways that are with legit hosts. One of the main ones I really like is called Insta Loops One. She hosts all different types of giveaways: 30-second giveaways, hidden giveaways, international giveaways, product giveaways. We go into all of those and what they mean inside the Instant Boss Club in the lessons section. So if you want to join as a member, we'll go more into depth on those. But today I just wanted to show you what kind of giveaways she hosts. So she hosts an Apple giveaway, Home Goods giveaway, Target giveaway, MacBook giveaway. So these giveaways, you are going to have to input some money in order to buy the prize. So you're not going to have to buy the whole iPhone, but you are going to have to put in like $45 in order to join, because you're chipping in to buy the prize. So other people are also chipping in to do it as well. But you can also do this as a product giveaway, which means give something of your own business away. That's going to be a different business, a different host to join those types of giveaways, or you could try to run it yourself through your actual page. But Insta Loops One is great. She's a great host. She's very organized when it comes to giveaways, and this is a great way to get new followers, engaged followers on your account, specifically if you are selling products. She hosts a lot of giveaways that include other boutique owners and businesses. So if you want to check them out, you'll go to their Instagram, Insta Loops One. And if you want to use our code Instant Boss, you'll get a discount at checkout. So if you like the tips in this video today, you're going to love our free Instagram challenge. So make sure you go check that out as well. People are seeing such great results from our free Instagram challenge, so make sure you check that out. Guys, it's free. There's no reason you shouldn't be checking it out. Also, make sure you follow us on Instagram at Instant Bosses, at Instant Boss Club, and our hashtag InstantBossMob.